In this video, I will show you how to work a long and short filling stitch. I will be using an embroidery needle and 100% cotton stranded embroidery thread such as DMC Moulinet Special. Start by pulling your needle and thread up through the fabric. For the first row, make a series of long and short stitches. This is your long stitch. And this is your short stitch. Continue to fill in the area, making longer and shorter stitches so they start to blend together. Here you can see I have filled my shape with a long and short filling stitch.